we are, Whiskey Man Barbecue, Lake Worth, Florida. Ryan Yellen, right there. We're here for Big Daddy's 50th birthday barbecue bash. It's 11 o'clock Friday night. Brought the trailer down here. Me, Chad Ward, Nicole, Ryan Yellen, my sister Kelly, neighbors, the birthday boy. We're working on getting things set up. We
Ryan, tell Dano you're putting your butt on in 10 minutes. Right there.
What's he doing? We're getting interrupted. We're trying to announce what we're doing here.
Tell him.
Trying to do what we're doing. Hold on. So let's see what this boy yelling about.
Dano, talk to Ryan.
Ryan, what are you doing?
In 10 minutes.
In 10 minutes. Ryan's butt's going on 10 minutes. How many pounds is that butt?
Big enough. About 11. So I'm about 11.
It looks like it's about 3 if you ask me. Looks like it's about 3 if you ask me.
Who rubbed it down? That's right. Who's going to put it on the smoker? All right.
We'll videotape it. Anyway, we're here for the 50th birthday barbecue bash here. We'll be videotaping throughout the night, drinking throughout the night, barbecuing throughout the night, and wait till tomorrow.
All right, dude.
Ryan's butt's on the grill.
Right, turn and look. Turn and look. Turn and look.
Turn at it. Turn at it and look.
Say my butt's on the grill.
Thumbs up. Ready?
Thumbs up. This is Daddy's 50th.
Ryan?
Got it. It's good.
All right, we're loading.
We got it. I got you right here. I'm your wingman, bro. I'm your wingman, bro.
Ryan's like, oh, my shirt.
What, number 2?
You gonna help me with them last 2?
Say, right.
All right, number 2.
Ryan, get those muscles working, buddy. Your forearms.
Can't be a barbecuer if you ain't muscling it.
All over it.
There you go, buddy.
You got it that time. He's gonna get.
Yeah.
He's not trying to hold it.
All right, I'm an old hand at this.
Tell him if Restaurant Diva didn't have them cheap
Hands
pants.
underneath it.
Get it up there.
Ryan, you haul the butt.
You got it. You got it. Attaboy, get it all the way in there. Don't be scared of it.
Where's your back? Where's your back?
No, just from talking to him.
There you go.
I'm not really sure
One more.
why. Tell me that.
It's because he's a young
Motto is, I push butt.
and he's always around the phone.
Yeah, my brother's sick.
All right, that's it.
That's why it's scary. And it's like, you know, when you're a little bit older,
grab it underneath.
you don't have friends that have young kids, so.
Let's do this real quick first. Let me get on this side. First set.
I'm 30. I think I'm the only one of my friends that doesn't have that.
Over me.
Dan, you do?
I grab underneath that thing.
You're right on par with my sister on the self-portrait mode of taking shit.
Where did,
That fucking angle. That's a talent.
He's been doing that for 3 years now.
That's a special gift.
This is supposed to be PG.
My sister can take a better picture of herself in the mirror than a potential photographer.
Butt. Woo! Shirt down.
Come on, man. Hey, John William, that's what barbecue guys do. They get it on their shirt. It's all right. It's all right to have it on your shirt.
Tell him it doesn't matter about your shirt.
Hey, Chad, do we have a GMG apron he might be able to wear?
Absolutely. We should have put him in it. I apologize. Kelly, you wouldn't believe we had like our sauce on top of like orange sauce. Like orange sauce, like when you order like Hong Kong Fooey shit. Yeah. So the Hong Kong Fooey orange sauce with a gimmick of, what am I gonna say?
The sunshine, follow me. Won't you guide me, oh, till I can see. But tell them more clothes, wanna fly away.
Here we are, Whiskey Man Barbecue, Lake Worth, Florida. Here for Big Daddy's 50th birthday party, aka Win, my brother-in-law, my sister's husband. Got here yesterday, been up all night long, hanging out, partying. cooking some pork butts. Today's going to be the big party. Expecting about 70 people we're going to be catering this event for. Should be a lot of fun. We will make sure we got this video camera rolling as people start indulging in those adult beverages, and it should be fun. Happy birthday, Win. Whiskey Bent Barbecue. Now, competition, we'd have quiet time be over about 7 a.m., so we're a little bit late, but we also like to give people credit when they come up with a better idea than we do, which is few and far between. So we like to give She Thinks My Slabs Are Sexy a little shout out today. And we're going to officially start at 9 a.m. and call this the start of the barbecue day.
Hi.
That our flag is still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Play ball! Alright, so right now we've got the butts are almost coming to completion here. We got 4 butts, some big bad boys. Color's looking good. Ryan said he made one. You can see Ryan's already got the barbecue atmosphere. They'll be sitting around doing nothing. But color's looking real good on these. Getting the ribs prepped, they'll be going on next. And then last, of course, will be chicken. So this is the pork. These are butts, pork butts. So we'll show you as we go along. Looking forward to tonight's party. Should be plenty of fun.